How do you get reels in front of the right people? You know, the ones that actually may want to buy your amazing product. It's actually easier than you think. But I've seen so many accounts get stuck on the most simple steps, which actually stops any growth to your account. This doesn't get mentioned in other videos. So by the way, this channel is all about growing your business by using Instagram, not to become an influencer, not for a personal account, a business account for your business, no matter how big or small, or maybe it's still inside your head. Now I'm going to be showing with you 5 steps that will massively improve your Reels reach. But it will only work if you do implement all of these steps. So please listen really closely, and especially step number 4 and 5, which is like, it's just the icing on the cake. I can't wait to tell you about it. All right, so Instagram just released that they've just hit the 2 billion monthly users milestone. Wow, that's just a heap of people that could be viewing your reels and your products. But first, we need to make sure that Instagram is sending your reels to the right people. No point showing, you know, a cat post to a dog person, if you know what I mean. So, step 1, optimizing your account to make sure Instagram knows exactly what you're all about. How do you do that? Well, it's easy. Get your phone, or if you're watching this on your phone, just take some notes and rewatch this one a few times to make sure you really do get all of the steps. So I want you to open up the home page. What does your name say? What does it mention anything about your products that you're actually trying to sell? Like if you're running a candle business, does the word candle pop in there somewhere? Maybe at the beginning, the end. So don't go changing your name, but you do need to add what it is your product that you're trying to sell. This is what's known as keywords. They're the new hashtags, to some extent anyway. So what about the description? Does it mention the type of business that you run? If not, you might need to make some changes. Just have a look at your overall feel of the page. Does it jump out that you actually sell the product you're trying to sell? Is it showing an account that sells candles, scrunchies or something? Or is it a little bit hard to work out? You only have one opportunity to gain a new follower. If they click on your account, it needs to be really super clear what it is that you do and you're selling. Now this could be a little bit controversial, but next we're going to be looking at why your feed doesn't need to be so super pretty, and why, and it's not so important to have that color matchy and the super prettiness to it and have like everything lined up. You know what I'm talking about, because do you know what? It doesn't actually matter. And in step 5, I'm going to be telling you the link between your account and making your purchases actually happen, like making a profit. And this is the only thing that really counts when you're running a business, because without profit you don't have a business, and it's pretty well sort of useless. But anyway, there are certain industries and niches that do need that really pretty feed. For example, if you're doing interior designing for one, if you're doing graphic designing, anything that uses that flair for elegance or to showcase that you're really good at matching up colors, you do need to have a pretty feed. But anything else, it doesn't really matter. People want education, they want entertainment, they need a reason to be there on your account. Do you have a reason to make people want to stay around and watch and follow your account? But maybe the odd behind the scenes photo to show the human element to gain new followers. Don't just sell to them. If you do meet a stranger, do you ask them to purchase your product straight away? No, of course you don't. You say, hi, how are you? Maybe if you were, you know, niceties and nice words, then lead the conversation to a sale if it's appropriate. Just do the same thing for your reels and your posts. Add a little bit of your personality, but still keep to the overall topic and your overall niche or industry. Which brings us to the next point on growing your account to grow your business, which is where I see so many people go wrong, like over the most obvious things when you point them out. Okay, you probably heard that you need many content pillars or different topics to post about, and yes, to some extent you do. However, and this is a big but, it all has to be centered, now you're listening, has to be centered around your main topic and your business and your product that you're trying to sell. I'll show you how you can get a heap of ideas suited exactly for your business in just a sec, But if you do want to choose some content pillars to post about, that's completely fine. But make sure it relates to your business and your product. Such as, what common problems do your customers have? What is so special about your products? What can you tell the world that is so interesting? And it doesn't really result in a direct sell. So what do you do to get instant ideas to post about that is all the things that your customers are looking for right now? Like they're searching for it, they're Googling it. Now you go to answerthepublic.com, type in a few words, and then it will bring up all of the commonly searched phrases and topics around your product. Go and try it. You will have so much info. You'll have posting topics for ages to come. Now, why does this matter? Well, the algorithm, it needs to know where to send your stuff. Who might be interested in viewing it? If you post about something, about your product one day, and then maybe your kids at the beach the next, the algorithm will go, I'm not entirely sure what you're trying to tell me here, and I don't know where to send your post on your reel. So your potential dream customer is not going to get it. So therefore you're not going to be making that sale. So as a side note though, do keep those lovely family behind the scenes type photos in your stories where your followers are already your followers, because it's really useful for showing the behind the scenes and bring that human element to the brand, but keep them in your stories. Okay, the next step to growing your account, to growing your business, are keywords. So you'll hear me say this over and over again. Keywords, you need to put them everywhere, including your captions. And guess what? Including your videos and your pictures. The algorithm is so super smart, it knows what your pictures are all about. This will all help the next super step in my system that I'll explain really soon, the one that you actually get your money. So listen carefully to this, because you need to know that the algorithm reads the pictures, and so if you have a picture of soap, like, it will know you've got a picture of a soap. How crazy is that? So you really want to make it super obvious what the picture is all about. Now those keywords are words that describe your business. You need to have these in the first few lines of your captions, you know, just subtly, such as organic handmade soap will make your skin feel nice and soft. Did you see that? Organic handmade soap. Keywords if you have a soap business. Now you're getting the idea, are you? Go and think about what keywords are great for your business. And that is how you get your reels in front of a particular audience, so you can have control over your organic marketing. Now the next step to bring in the money. Okay, before I tell you about that, please click on that subscribe button, because new videos get released every weekday specifically for you. Instagram tips to grow your account, to grow your business. Now I don't want you to miss any of those, because look, I've grown a heap of Instagram accounts specifically for businesses of all size, and I'll let you know what works and also what doesn't, because I don't want to waste your time. So now anyway, let's get back to, so hit that subscribe button and let's get back to how you can make money from your account. Okay, you ready for it? Story highlights. But it's not what you think. Okay, so start by making a really nice captivating story, either an image or a video, about one of your products, one that's selling really well at the moment. Point out the benefits of that product, either in the video or the photo, and just put a little bit of text on it explaining a few of those benefits about your products. Now, this is what you do. Put the link, so use the sticker icon, and you can link direct to your sales page, wherever that is. Either it's Etsy, if it's eBay, if it's your own web page, even if it's anywhere, put the link to where you want to make that transaction occur. The next step is to save this story as a highlight and title that highlight products or shop. Now do this with all of your products, and you'll have a collection on Instagram that your followers can go to, click on, and they'll see all your products with direct links to where to buy them. So don't go just directly to your webpage, go directly to the page that sells the product that you're talking about. So whenever you're doing a post or a reel and you're talking about that product, you can always say, go to the stories highlight to get the link to go to that product. Because as you know, you only get one link in your bio. Use your story highlights just to make life easier, and your customers know how to navigate your page. Look, but if you're still going to want to watch to grow your account as quickly as possible, to get the biggest audience as possible, then there's only one real way to do that, and that is to have your Instagram marketing all planned out. So you know what's coming. So you know if you have a local event, maybe a local market, do you have a sale or promo, anything like that, mark it all out in your content planner. Now click on this one here, and this will show you exactly what you need to do to plan to make your life so much easier and to grow your account as quick as possible, and to stop any of the last minute like sporadic posting, so you post with strategic ease. Watch now.